We're all gonna say what's up, you guys. One, Mom, you know how to say what's up, you guys?
Yeah, what's up, you guys?
What's up, you guys? See, you said what's up, guys. It's you guys.
I never even say anything. I just mouth
One,
the words.
2, 3. What's up, you guys? Okay, I am super excited. I always say I'm super excited. What's up?
Oh, okay.
I know we
I
were
don't know.
starting from the top.
When she said 1, 2, 3, I just said yes.
I didn't know we were starting from the top.
What's up, you guys? Okay, today is the day. It is like, you know how there was the Disney Channel games? This is the TikTok games. And if you didn't know, we have our resident TikTok expert here, Lana Camille Houghton, and she's put us onto these amazing games. So we're gonna try to see who can win the most money, and we divvied up into teams, and it is me and Mama Nil over here, and it is Ray and Lana on, what's the name of your team?
We have a team.
Lana Del Rey. That's
We
her name.
are. Mom, come up with a name. We are Dulce y Sazón. Dulce y Sazón is the name of our. Actually, we're just gonna go with Sazón. Forget the Dulce part. So
is that?
Lana Del Rey versus Sazón.
Ooh.
So the first game we are playing is called what?
I don't even know the name of it. It's
the
just
can.
a TikTok
It's the
challenge.
TikTok challenge. Okay, it's when you roll the cans and you try to win money.
And you can't land on the line, so you actually have to land here to win the money.
Okay, so here we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Also, if you roll it past the money, you get nothing. And we're gonna play until the money's gone. So we're actually gonna take turns. It's Ray and I against each other. So let's go for our first roll, Ray. We're starting at the
cheat.
same spot.
Start it, yep.
1, 2, 3, roll.
Come on, Ray. Come on, come on, come on, come on. $15!
I got
Take it,
$5.
take it.
I'm not on the
Grab your
thing.
5.
I got 5. Thank you. Hype me up, mommy. Mommy
You
said
only
grab that
have
5.
one chance, friend.
Okay.
Wait, I feel like, let me
Mommy.
focus, okay? Nil, you ready?
Concentrate.
Don't you go ahead of me.
No, I'm not. 1.
Be fair to my mom. This is the cheating team, in case you didn't know.
Lie.
That's not true. We're the very competitive team. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. I'm a little.
Bye.
Why so aggressive?
You are so good.
Yes, mommy, paciencia y fe. Mom,
Hold my money.
thank you. Okay,
How much
we
money you guys got?
Currently,
We
we
have the same
have
right now.
15 and 15.
Oh, 1,
Oh my God.
Come on.
2,
Kids, just a
3, go.
Ooh, Lana, I didn't get it. I didn't get it, Lana. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. Oh my.
Oh, no, neither of
I
you
didn't
got
get
it.
it either.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Don't catch it. It was gonna roll back.
No, it wasn't gonna
idiot.
roll back. What you mean?
I'm just kidding.
It was gonna roll back from the floor.
Why keep going sideways?
okay, baby.
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Red, that's the line. That's the line.
I got this. I got this. Don't catch it.
Ooh, no.
It's on the edge, but it did not go over my feet.
That was really good.
How does it feel? How does it feel to have taught us the game and lost?
It looks much easier
It looks
online.
so much easier.
I feel like there needs to be a little bit of weight in the can.
Yeah.
No, guys, the way that can is
That
just
was
holding.
That was
good.
Jesus.
Oh my
We're
God.
moving the table. That look at God. Look at God.
There it goes.
Team Lana Del Rey has
Come on, keep going. 5,
5,
Why are you
10,
counting your money like that?
15, 20, 25, $30.
Somebody knows how to do their multiplication. They know their 5 times tables. Over here
don't,
in
though.
Team Sazón,
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
$35, 35. Yo, mom killed that. Okay, we
That
are
was
moving
crazy,
on
no?
to the next game. So this next game we are about to play goes a little something like this. Hit it. Okay, so we've got these mittens. Ray, let me see the mittens. Don't take off your mittens. Okay, we've got our mittens on. And again, Team Sazón versus Team Lana Del Rey. Going first is Ray versus me. And we've got this ball here of cellophane. Now, I have got to unwrap this ball of cellophane with my mittens on. At some point, I'm going to get to a layer of aluminum. At that point, I will take off my gloves, pass them to my teammate, and then they will unravel the aluminum from there. Ready to do this?
Yo, why is my heart racing so fast?
Because
I get
you're
like
so
an
competitive.
adrenaline rush with these
What's
things.
wrong with
I
you?
don't know. Come on, Ray.
We don't even care. We're like, we having fun, mama.
3, 2, 1, go. Let's go, Ray. Let's go.
I don't lose well.
Oh my gosh.
Either.
Where
I could keep going. Don't even pass it to
I
me
could
if
use
you don't
my
want.
body. Okay, hold on.
Put on the.
Dios.
Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Hurry up. Hurry
I
up.
don't want to beat against.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, whoa.
Oh. Oh.
Right here. There's an opening here.
Come on.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Yeah,
Got
start
it.
it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I could have
Oh
used
my
all
God.
this
Okay, mami.
foil.
Ponte. Okay. Go.
Oh no. Oh no.
Come on, Lana.
I can't. I don't know what's happening.
Oh, I want to help so bad.
por allá.
Oh God.
Oh, por
Yes,
allá.
yes.
Let me
Mami.
come. Hey, don't be speaking Spanish over there.
Talk Arabic to him.
Mom has been rapping to go place for years. She knows how to do this.
Exactly. Okay, por ahí. Use your nails that are in there.
You can't.
I don't know. Don't do that then, baby. I don't know.
You had it. You were unraveling.
Adrienne's cheating. Watch her.
I'm cheating the same way Ray's cheating.
No,
Wait,
he's not
hold on, I
touching
was
anything.
cheating.
No, you got nothing.
Well, I want to help
Ma,
so
you
bad.
just gotta lift one little right there, right there. You see it lifting?
Yes.
Yeah, right there. Uh-huh.
Okay, I got it.
But don't use the other side to push it down.
Whoa, you okay?
Pause.
Are we pausing?
No. He.
This ball is a hard ball.
Yeah, yo, we're not.
All right.
I wanna
Ready?
give it up.
1, 2, 3. Pause. Okay, hand the things over. Let's see where we can get with this.
I love the fact that Ray was going right there, right there, right there.
And now what's right
Quiet.
there?
I'm quiet.
Yes, Ray, go, Ray, go. Come on, I believe in you. We can do it.
Guys, my hands are too small.
There's no way. Who wrapped this? Someone's mom who wraps like a lunch or something. Like, cause this is you. No,
This is like they don't want no one to steal
like
their
no.
kid's sandwich at
Like
school.
there's no
Wait.
moisture getting in that sandwich. Oh wow.
Okay, guys. So we're taking another turn. Now they get a second chance at this. We tried it with no fork. Now they're gonna get a chance to use a fork. Go.
Oh,
Okay.
Say less.
Oh, mom is killing that. Apúrate, ma.
Apúrate, what the heck? we need subtitles in this episode. Oh, we would have never got through without a fork. Come on! Yes, we got it!
Fuerza.
I got that $5.
Go.
Go.
Is there more after that?
No, it's Ray's turn.
We can get $5 too. Hay $5 adentro de ahí también.
Here.
Go. You got this. You got this. Uh-huh.
You're
Uh-huh.
good at the celebration.
We got the $5 too. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Bite
There
it.
we go. I got the
Bite
$5.
it, bite it, Ray, bite
Go.
it.
You cannot bite.
Flip it.
Okay, wait.
Check down there. Right here, right here, right here. Faster. No, the other way. You have to wrap the other way, other way. Yep. Wait, whoever wins this round should be able to take the other people's.
No,
No.
sorry.
Well,
not
we're gonna
good.
be here all day then. Keep going.
Come on, eh?
You got it, eh? I don't know why I'm rooting for you.
Because
You're
you're a
a
good
kind
friend.
friend.
More? Oh my God, there's more aluminum.
No
I think-
way.
I think I'm
There's
sweating.
no way.
You got this.
There's no way.
I don't
There
like
is.
the sweat.
What's that?
I wish I did this plastic one.
What the heck? Guys, I should get extra credit because my hands literally don't even fit to the top of this. So I'm working with nothing.
Okay.
Go, mommy, with the... Aquí, póntelo.
Hey, if they don't stop speaking Spanish right here,
We don't
I
understand.
feel like there's.
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah.
Yes! We won. Game over.
Is there more money in there?
Yes, $5.
Oh, we need that money because at the end of the game. So just keep going, mommy. Act like you're doing ropa vieja. Just split it apart.
Oh my God, remember ropa vieja? I thought it was a bad word.
She did. She thought ropa vieja was a bad
I was
word.
like, I think
What did
It's
it mean?
shredded steak.
Oh.
So you shred it like that.
Which
with the,
part is vieja?
Yeah, I'm about to say, that's what I'm like, yeah.
It means old
Old meat.
clothes, like tattered clothes.
If you don't mind, I have a curfew.
Shut up. So you could go home and go to sleep?
Watch
Watch
TikTok.
TikTok.
So she could go home and watch more TikTok.
I see the money. I see
Yeah.
it. I see it. I
You
see
say
it.
I seen it.
Let me give you some highlights. Real
Or
quick.
let me give you some highlights or a hookah head. This is
Here you go. Come here.
Okay, but don't be so aggression.
By the way, Lana has the most sensitive head of all time.
My God.
That's me. I'm gonna roll it up.
You need a little bit more.
There you go.
Ew.
Just go like this one. Do this, Nelly. Like that.
Just
It'll
shake it.
come out.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Boom.
you go.
Ew.
Boom.
Good job, Nelly! What? You okay?
Yo.
Yes.
Are you
Mom
already
is
blind?
ready.
I'm
Mom
ready.
is ready for this next game. Okay, this is the final tiebreaker right here. Just want to put it out there. Team Sasong is winning.
By
Hallelujah.
$10.
And Lana Del
By
Rey.
$10, by much more than $10.
Count your money.
Exactly. How much money do you have?
That's not your
That's not
money.
your money. Oh my
You
God.
cheat.
And we're the cheaters.
That is not your.
This is actually the money for this next game that we're about to play. This is a stack of money that we are gonna lay on the table, and then we are gonna use our masks as blindfolds. And we now have to use this one spatula to shovel money into this plate. Whoever gets the most money on the plate wins. Starting with Lana.
I'm ready. Okay, let me see how
I
you
know.
spread it out. No, Adrian, don't.
I'm not gonna
There's no
front.
$100 bills?
I'm not gonna front. When I've seen this done on TikTok, they had a lot more cash.
Here, let's throw in our
Oh,
money
you should be
too.
putting on.
No!
Yeah, we know how much we got.
Yeah,
$25.
you guys are winning anyway.
You're right.
$25 and $35?
No, 40,
40.
45.
Let me count it.
No, make sure your accounting is right.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
How you made so much money?
Because we like that. I could even put it for you at the edge like that.
Okay, ready? Then I'm gonna go like this.
No. You,
Let me look at the pot real quick. Okay.
okay, ready? 45 seconds.
Don't
One.
go hasty. Just scoop. Go.
Go.
Go ahead. Scoop. There you go. Now lift up and put it on your. There you go. Come
I
do
hear
the
it.
same thing, friend. So, no, okay, you do that. No, baby. Do what you did. Thank you. There you go.
Baby.
Yeah, there you, okay, what do you do? There, no. Okay, to the right, a little bit, to the right. No, do it.
The other right. You all right?
No, because you're going to stress me out. Lana.
Come on, am I grabbing anything?
No, babe, you're not. Close, underneath the plates, underneath your plate. It's underneath
10.
your plate.
Okay.
9,
Got it.
8,
Pick it up.
7,
Pick it up. Come on.
6, 5,
One more.
4,
Okay.
3,
You didn't get
1. So good, Lana. You killed that.
Well, I really thought it was gonna be way
$15.
more.
All you did was push the money away.
Okay, your turn, Aim.
Okay.
I'll set you up. sis, like
Okay.
you set me up.
3, 2,
2, 1. Go help her.
That's
Mommy, dime.
Dale, that. No.
Dime, if they don't stop speaking Spanish,
We were quiet your whole time.
wow. Damn, they're gonna beat us.
Nada.
They're gonna beat us. Oh no, no.
Nada?
No.
Oh no.
Dime como. Así.
Sideways.
Oh no.
A
Oh,
little deeper. A little deeper.
they're rich.
A
They're
little
rich.
deeper.
Lana, shut up. I didn't talk at all during your
That's
thing.
then you don't know how to play the game.
Don't go that far. No.
Okay.
Por acá?
Seems like the
My
cafeteria lady right now.
This is hilarious.
Nada. Okay, try there. Go. You
Oh,
got a
no. Oh!
No money, love.
I love you though.
I'm not good with spatulas. I should have known. Okay, ready?
I guess you don't need help. That was good. Go back to what you did, okay? Grab it, put it in your plate. Okay, the
No,
next
you
one.
don't do that.
Put it in your, what you mean? You just because you're not a good cook.
No, I
Yes.
never said you have it. Never.
Go ahead, Ray. Oh no, go back there. Yup, lift. Okay, oh, you just dropped the other money that was in your plate. Okay, you gotta stack, go. No, go a little deeper under, right by your plate. There you go. It's like you're flipping pancakes. Okay, right there, that's a lot of good. Go. Oh my God,
What, girl, just stop saying, oh.
There you go, there you go.
Done.
$10.
You got $10.
That was good.
That's wrong.
All right, $10 and $15, mommy. All you gotta do is get something.
That's
Okay.
actually really hard. It's like harder than you think it is.
Yo, but there was moments, Ray, where you literally were
had
like,
a bunch.
this.
Where's the thing?
Like you had, wait, mom, wait. There was a moment when you had like this,
Much, but it
and
fell
then
off.
then you would be like,
Oh.
and we'd be like, what the heck? You had like this much at one point, and then you were like,
Okay.
so mom,
Took it out.
slow and steady. I believe in you.
Don't stack a pile. That
I'm
like,
not.
scatter it.
I didn't. I'm doing it exactly like you did.
Might as well put it in her plate too.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect, mommy. Just like that. Go put it in your plate.
First of all.
Put it in your plate.
First
Slow and
of
steady.
all,
Okay, yeah, grab it. Keep putting it. Push that more towards your plate. Just pull more, more in your plate. Perfect. You got money. Yep, right there, mommy. Then lift up a little bit. No, slower. Go down. Up. You got it, mom.
You got it.
Next
no,
one.
her plate needs to go up higher. What is this?
Mom is doing it right.
Oh, that's a big chunk.
Go, mom.
That's a big chunk.
Go push in further. Go push in further to the
Oh
money.
shoot! Oh shoot!
No, like,
oh my God!
go
She's
under,
so rich.
under.
She's so rich.
Under,
Be quiet.
further out.
Oh, Lord.
Further out. No, mom, further out, like where the cameras
5,
are.
4, 3, 2, 1.
She got
You
10.
still
You know what?
broke.
You did good. You
That
got
was
10
good.
good.
No,
So did
that was
I.
really
That's
good.
really good, Ma. You
That's
got
good.
way better than I did.
That
You
was
did really good.
So
You
we
did way
keep
better.
on?
So what happens now?
We're even. Literally, you guys had $45 plus your 10 is $55. We had $15 plus my 15 plus his 10. So we're even.
That's not
How's
fun.
25? You have 25. You got
We have
10,
45.
It's 35.
No, but then he got money too.
Oh, 10. Lana.
And I got 15.
20. No, you did not get 50.
I got 15.
She did get 15.
Okay.
I do have
Okay.
15.
45.
I do have it.
I do have
That's
15.
That's 45.
And then you got 10.
I had
55.
Yeah. Hello.
Really? Hello.
Yeah.
15 plus 10 is 25. Plus 25 is 50.
Uh-huh. So you're telling me you have 55 and you didn't have no 55.
I'm not really good at math.
That's why you
Yeah,
take care of my money.
I am.
Let her know. Let her know. So
Yeah,
Lana
Yes, we won. We got $5 more than you.
Lana was like this.
No, it was hard, right?
It really is. I didn't
So
think it was.
And then the whole time talking smack to people. Oh, so much money. Comment below if you don't like how she trashed you. Comment below,
Oh,
please.
you want to take that off your head?
No, I liked
bangs.
it. My bangs are a little messed up, so I'm just gonna leave this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us play these games. We had so much fun. Honestly,
I
that was
love TikTok games.
really, really funny. Hopefully this will inspire you guys to play these games with your fam and your friends. Let us know what you thought about it in the comments below. We love you guys. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe. Mommy is really still counting this.
I'm not counting it.
She won.
I'm putting it.
She's organizing.
Nilda,
this
you gotta go
money.
like this, like.
We love you guys.